What about now? Am I visible to you now?
No, still not, madam. What about me, madam?
Yes,
Now
you
you
are
are
visible. Okay,
okay,
right.
visible, but
So all good now?
now it's okay. Now it's fine, and now
Okay,
we can continue.
yes. Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon, madam. How are you, madam?
I'm good. What about you?
Yeah, I am also fine and great by the grace of Almighty Allah. So, uh, if you share your journey, if you share your introduction, that would be better for me.
I didn't get you. You want me to introduce myself now?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, yes. My name is Shanta. I work as a spoken English trainer. I'm also a homemaker and I live in South India. I have started a YouTube channel recently, which is English with Shanta. It's been 3 months now. So currently, my only
Okay.
hobby is working for my channel. So that's a little bit
Okay.
about me. Tell me about yourself, please.
Of course, why not? Yes, my name is Kaiser Alam, and I am from West Bengal, and which is this part of India. I am from West Bengal, but I am from this part of India. So it's really like something different. But yeah, okay. I have completed my graduation, and later on, I am preparing for myself for government job exam purpose. And I also started that types of feelings. If I say that I also started my journey 3 years back, but I am not on regular on that channel, and I am regular if I say that my audio call, video call, it's continue going on, and that's why I am here. That's why I am able to talk to you right now. Yes, madam. Go on.
Mm. Yes. So, are you really passionate about English?
Of course, why not? That's why I'm here. That's why I have been learning almost. It has been 3 years. I have been learning, but not regular. But I have passion. I am, dedication over this language. So that's why I am continue with this journey.
Mm,
Yeah,
right. Yes. So, do you have any questions for me?
of course, why not? As a homemaker, as a housewife, so how do you handle all of these things? And also, you are running a YouTube channel. So tell me the journey, how you handle all of this.
Yes, because I have time during the day when my children are not around. So I am doing my homemaker duties as well. I try to finish them and I've set time for each work. So up to 11, it is my home time. So in between, sometime 2 or 3 hours, I remove for myself, which is I work for my channel. So again, from evening, I turn into a homemaker again. So that is how I'm managing both of them. Yeah.
And what do you think about your South Indian people? That they are really intelligent, or they are born and raised of the such type of places? That is the main reason. What do you think about it?
I think intelligent people are everywhere. You cannot generalize that, South Indians are intelligent and North Indians are not.
Not not
But
mm,
I think a
only
majority,
just
yeah.
pardon me. Not only for intelligent. I am asking you about, they are better than rest of our India in English language. So that perspective, you can say whatever you want and whatever you know about it.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
That's what I was coming to it, actually.
Yeah.
Not only intelligent, but I think, I don't know, I have never been to North India or stayed there for a long time to judge what the education system is like or what schools are like in the rest of India. But in South India, schools are quite strict. They focus on English. They teach you, I mean, from your earlier days, you are encouraged to speak in English. I think we have more exposure. So, this is a question I like hear about quite often, that South Indians speak good English. They are good academically as well. So, maybe that is the reason of the education system. It's quite good here.
Okay.
Maybe that is the only reason because I've never been to North India, so I won't be the right person to compare North and South India. But I'm just talking about South India. Schools are good. People are encouraged to talk in English, and we are also very interested by ourselves. Also, we like learning it. So maybe
Yeah. Okay. Okay. And what about as you told me that you were from South India? If you don't mind, so if I ask you about your state, that what exactly you belong from?
I belong to Karnataka. I am from Karnataka.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And you were working on YouTube, or you have any other platform to work as a practical way? Like as you told me that you were a trainer, so you were working on online, or you have physical work as well?
I work only online because I, like, as you know, I'm a homemaker also, so it is not possible for me to go out and work offline. That would take a lot of my energy and time, so I prefer
Yeah.
working online. Yes, I work for YouTube, and I used to work for a spoken English platform called Inktalki, but I stopped working on that
Okay.
platform last month, and now I'm just an independent worker.
Okay. 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 And what about your home environment? Like you born and raised like English medium background, or you are involved in this background?
I went to an English medium school, yes, and even at home I was encouraged to speak in English. So that was my home, like back at home. My dad would always encourage us to speak in English. So even at home and even at school, I learned English. But now in my in-laws' house, we don't have an English speaking environment. So we prefer talking in our native language with my children and husband and this family. But my home, back home, we preferred. I don't know. He preferred that we spoke in English at home. My dad. Yeah.
And tell me, madam, like uh, as a basic learner, what exactly need to learn? Basic learner.
For English, you mean to say, right?
Yes.
If you want to
Yes.
learn English,
Exactly.
what should a basic learner start off with? So I would say you need a lot of input when you want to learn spoken English. You need to have the dictionary within yourself. So in order to make your input strong, you need to listen and read a lot. So that way you have a lot of memory of the sentences, of the words that you want to use. Once you have a lot of memory of that, then you can put that into practice by speaking. So I would say listen a lot in your initial stage, in your initial days, and later slowly you can start with daily use sentences. Like that, you can start your English speaking practice.
And like as you are a trainer on English, what you work on that application. I just
Yeah, I used to.
forgot. So you worked over there. So what are the difficulties you faced over there? If you share with me, don't mind.
Yeah, no difficulties as such because I was usually available to work only during the day. But there were a lot of
Yeah,
learners who want to join in the evening. Obviously, it is fair enough, right? Working
yeah,
professionals, students, people who were free during the second half of the day after 5 or 6 p.m. But that time was not feasible for me. It was not possible that I would be available at that time. So that is the reason I stopped working there and putting my full focus on YouTube and working for myself only now because this is a thing that I can do during the day. I can do it whenever I want to. So I wanted this kind of liberty.
yeah.
So yeah, I'm happy with this now.
Okay,
As for challenges, I didn't find any kind of challenge. That was the only challenge because I wasn't getting enough learners there. Yeah.
and you were working over there. So, what type of motivation did you do all the students when you are a trainer or when you are a motivational speaker? I can say, but you are
Mhm.
working over there as a teacher. Of course, you made lots of things which is encouraging purpose for all the students. So, if you share with me that what type of
See, first of all, rather like the thing that I learned from there, I would put it this way. it kind of gave me more courage because it was not easy to face camera and talk on video calls. This was something new for me. This is a new profession for me. I am not doing it from years together. Okay, so it has been less than a year that I started training for English. So this was a new profession for me. And when I started doing video calls, first time is always difficult for anybody. So that initial, what do you say? The initial thing was difficult for me talking, but due to that platform, I became comfortable with it. So that was one advantage. The rest, I got to like it's similar. I got to learn from different learners. I got to teach them also. So I got to interact, know about them. There were people from around the world, not only India. So that gave me an exposure. That built my confidence. So that inspired me to start my YouTube channel. So everything stems from that platform. So yeah, these are some things.
So this is the way you were, handling your life, isn't it? Or
Yes. Yes.
is there any scope? Just you were, it is your hobby and nothing like that.
No, I wanted to work. That's it. I wanted to work. And when I started applying, it is not easy for us to find freelance work in India. It's like you work for 2 to 3 hours a day and that is your work. That is very difficult to get in India. You will get full time jobs, plenty of them. But yeah, I had my own challenges and I was strict to this that I cannot do a full time job. I need a work that will pay me for whatever work I do for it. So that kind of that was an option for me. That's it. So this one came out as a wonderful opportunity. You're free to work when you want to, so you're paid per work. That was comfortable for me. That's why I started working.
And you have been working on YouTube that most of the people, most of the, I mean, say, who are learner, who are basic in English, they also running their channel and they are also making such type of videos. So what do you think about this type of atmosphere? Would you like to say anything about the, very basic, YouTuber? Is it good for society, or is it not comfortable in society? What exactly, as a teacher, you have been working on another platform. So tell me some of the things which is good
Yes.
for society.
Yeah, I have been seeing a lot of YouTubers doing these conversations and uploading on their channel. But there are also learners who are like really basic, who do not know anything. For them, it's okay. They have the liberty to choose what kind of speaker they want to listen to. Maybe they don't want very advanced English speakers. Maybe they are not able to understand them. They like people who are basic and whose English is not very good. So they may prefer those kind of YouTubers. So it depends on the learners actually. Yeah. Yeah.
And do
And I
you
would say
think that
that, people are doing conversational calls and they have to improve and make themselves better because now this is trending conversational calls. Everybody's uploading on their channel. But once the trend is over, it'll be difficult for them to survive, right? So they should be really good at what
yes,
they are doing. Yeah.
and yeah, of course, and it is also now is it's okay, but later on, if I habituate about it, so definitely I should upload such type of videos, or I should work on it. So this is
Yeah.
also the reason people are
Mm.
working on it. Yeah,
Yes.
if
And I
I
think when you're having
if I
conversation,
not
yeah, yeah, complete.
okay, if I not continue this journey, so I think I am not able to speak right now or nowadays, because I am in the process and I have been learning, I have been working on it, and that's the only reason. In
Mm.
mindset, or my type of students, or my type of who are working over here, so they are mindset also same like me. They are building their
Mm.
situation, that how to talk, how to speak, how to communicate with different people all around the world. So this is the reason. Maybe this
Yes.
is definitely helpful for a basic learner, or
Mhm.
intermediate learner as well.
Yes,
Because
yes. People
this is
not only yeah, people not only see and learn, they're also speaking and learning, right? The YouTubers you told that they are having conversations even if they are in a beginner level, they can track their own progress through the journey. Maybe they are talking every day, taking sessions. After 3 or 6 months, they will build up their confidence. Their language will become better. And it is advantage for them as well as people watching them.